Hi, and welcome to this tutorial for the guidance on the registration and the notification of new cosmetics in China. This tutorial covers 4 aspects of great importance in the application process. The first part is the provisions and the regulations that apply to new ingredients. The second part is the notification data, including the authorized efficacy claims and the countries which the applicants hailed from. And the third part is the question that you have to ask yourself before the application. That is it a new ingredient in China? While this simple question can be tricky sometimes, so I'm going to clarify some ingredients that often make the applicants feel cloudy. And the last is literally not the least part. After this part, you will know what process your ingredients need to go through and what dossiers needed to be prepared, and especially what toxicity testings are required, etc. So stick around, you will have a clear view of how to apply a new ingredient in China in just about half an hour. Without further ado, let's dive into part 1. Actually, all the cosmetics and ingredients are under supervision and administration of NMPA, that is National Medical Product Administration. So that is the competent authorities in China. And these following 3 regulations or measures are the key ones that regulate all the cosmetics and its ingredients in China, and they are cosmetic supervision and administration regulation, administration measures for cosmetics registration and notification, and the rules for the registration and notification dossiers of new cosmetic ingredients. And we provide translated English version of these regulations and measures in our website. You can have a look there if you like. You can find the link of our website in the description box. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please feel free to leave comments and questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you are interested in the notification data, please go to my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.